So I just got home. My girlfriend is still at work. She's about to leave like in 50 minutes. But I got some unboxings to do. Okay, hold on. What does it? What does it? Big kiss, yeah. I envy. I am shaking in my boots right now. Y'all don't even understand. Okay, so we're gonna do the kiss box first. I can't believe I'm like, yes, I got added to the ambassador PR list. At the same time, I still cannot even wrap my mind around this. Like, okay, get started. Finishing spray. This is their natural finish setting spray. Long lasting, temperature control. Oh, and we got a new lip oil. This lip oil look nice. What's this? This is mango butter. How y'all know I like mango? How y'all? Oh, skincare. I got a tea tree deep cleansing clay mask. I know it's probably gonna be like backwards. I can't wait because I definitely told my girlfriend we do like a spa skincare day. She's off tomorrow. I'm off for the weekend. Kids did their big one with this box, okay? Tell me y'all love me. Tell me you love me. I need someone on days like this. I do. So not only did they give me a mask, they gave me a tea tree oil control moisturizer. So after I do my mask, and they gave me some hair care. Listen to me. So we got the little traveling size of the Growth MD. We also got the regular size. This is Red by Kiss. Ah! We have another size. This is the 2 ounces. How much is this? 2 ounces as well. 0.40 ounces. 12 milliliters. And 4.5. I'm going to use these. Well, I'm going to use them on myself as well. But I'm definitely going to detox my girlfriend's hair. Because she has locks. And I can't wait to use them on her. Yeah. Now back to the makeup. I got the mattifying powder in the shade Translucent Tan. I can't wait to use that. I got another lippy pencil. This one is Deep Cherry. I got a lippy. This is Ruby Lust. I'm trying to see if they have the actual. And then I got an eyebrow pencil, auto eyebrow pencil. This is black. Kiss, I love y'all so much, and thank you for selecting me to be on your PR and ambassador list. Like, getting this every month, my mind is blown. Now on to iEnvy. Yeah, hold on. iEnvy Press and Go. 1-step press-on method, no glue needed. Oh my. I have a PR box from iEnvy. Okay, hold on. I need a minute. I just got a whole box full of lashes, okay? They're press and go lashes, and it has a pre-bonded technology, so that just means that there's glue already on the lashes. All I gotta do is stick them on and go. You're spoiling me at this point. I'm spoiled. So I got 4 packs of their everyday minimal lashes. These are 18 clusters, small to medium. Can y'all see it? So this is for everyday use. Dude, I'm so excited. Like, what? I have 4 Glam Extreme 18 as well for each pack. Medium to long. I was about to say large. Medium to long. Girl, what? That wasn't even English. Ah! Okay. I'm just very excited. Hold on. I know these ones about to take the cake for me, okay? These are the special day. They're medium and long as well, but these are just like a little bit more dramatic. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. So this one's like a wispy set. This one is like a really extreme, like it's darker set. This is IPO6. The wispy is IPO4. And this is spiky. Y'all know like little spike and dramatic to my lashes. This is IP10. I'm definitely, y'all. Oh, not only did they give me lashes, they got me a bonder. Yeah. Sorry, let me just read this. They also sent me this type of sealant. So you know like when you have the lash packs that they sell in TikTok shop, and then they have like the mascara glue, then they have like the sealant that goes on after. This is something like that. It extends the longevity of your press-on clusters. Press-on clusters is so funny to me. I love it. It's an all-nighter. It lasts up to 10 days. So, oh, cool. So if I want to take off the lash cluster set that I have, I want to reapply that exact set that I just had on, I would use this. That's lit. And they gave me a tweezers. They gave me the tweezers for the lashes. I can't wait to use this. I am just so Kiss. I envy. Y'all are spoiling me, and I just am so grateful. I'm gonna always tell y'all how grateful I am in every video. I'm sorry I can't help it. From a girl in the Bronx that shopped in the beauty supply stores and got nothing but Kiss because that's all she could afford, to now being on their team along with them and receiving these packages. Just stay tuned. Stay tuned.